How can a few words generate a stunning image? Google's latest AI tool, Imagen 3, claims to do just that, transforming simple text prompts into visually impressive images in seconds. But what makes Imagen 3 stand out in the crowded field of AI image generators? And how does it shape the future of creative technology? Google continues to lead the charge in AI innovation with its latest offering, Imagen 3. Launched in the US and available through the AI Test Kitchen, Imagen 3 is designed to make AI-driven image creation accessible to a broader audience. The concept is straightforward. Users input a text description, and within moments, the AI generates a detailed image that reflects the prompt. This level of accessibility represents a shift in how AI tools are made available, allowing anyone with curiosity to explore AI's creative potential. Google markets Imagen 3 as a major improvement over its predecessors, highlighting faster processing times and higher quality outputs. But this model isn't just about speed. Imagen 3 is designed to handle more intricate prompts, producing images with richer details and more lifelike lighting. Early feedback suggests that these enhancements make a noticeable difference, positioning Imagen 3 as a strong contender among AI image generators. One of Imagen 3's key strengths is its ability to quickly produce high-resolution images. Consider the practical applications. Instead of spending hours searching for or creating the perfect image, you can generate a tailored visual in just seconds. This efficiency can be especially valuable for professionals like designers and marketers who need custom visuals on short notice. How does it stand out? Imagen 3 differentiates itself with its enhanced comprehension of complex prompts. Earlier AI models often stumbled when tasked with nuanced requests, sometimes delivering results that didn't quite hit the mark. Imagen 3 aims to resolve these issues by improving its understanding of language, resulting in images that better reflect the user's intent. This advancement is particularly significant for those who require precision in their visual outputs, such as creative professionals and content creators. Whether you're requesting a photorealistic landscape, a stylized illustration, or something entirely abstract, Imagen 3 is engineered to deliver. Its versatility in handling a variety of styles and its capability to produce visually striking results make it a powerful tool for diverse applications. This adaptability is likely why Imagen 3 has quickly gained popularity among both casual users and professionals alike. Another notable feature of Imagen 3 is that it's currently free to use. In a market where many advanced AI tools come with a hefty price tag, Google's decision to make Imagen 3 freely accessible, at least for the time being, is significant. This move lowers the barriers to entry, enabling more people to experiment with AI technology and discover its creative potential. The technology behind Imagen 3. So, what's under the hood of Imagen 3? The model operates on a latent diffusion model, a sophisticated method within generative AI that's known for producing high-quality images. In simple terms, this model starts with a noisy image and refines it into a clear visual representation based on the user's prompt. This iterative process combines speed with precision thanks to the optimizations Google has integrated into the system. One of the critical challenges in AI image generation is getting the details right. Elements like lighting, texture, and shadows. These factors can significantly affect the realism and overall impact of an image. Imagen 3 excels in this area, generating images with natural-looking lighting and textures that feel authentic. The ability to manage these complex visual elements is crucial for creating images that not only look good, but also resonate with viewers. Additionally, Imagen 3's efficiency is a technical achievement worth noting. The model is designed to produce high-quality images quickly, representing a significant improvement over earlier versions. This speed doesn't come at the expense of quality, making Imagen 3 a practical tool for real-time use, whether you're brainstorming ideas or need a quick visual for a presentation. Imagen 3 also shines in its ability to handle various visual styles, whether you're aiming for a hyper-realistic photo, a minimalist illustration, or something more abstract. Imagen 3 adapts to the task, producing images that closely align with your vision. This flexibility makes it a versatile tool, not only for casual experimentation, but also for professional use in creative industries. Navigating the limitations. Every tool has its limitations, and Imagen 3 is no exception. One of the most significant restrictions is its inability to generate images involving public figures or copyrighted content. For instance, if you want to create an image of a famous celebrity or a well-known character, Imagen 3 will not fulfill the request. This precaution is designed to prevent potential legal issues and misuse of the technology. However, users have found creative ways to work within these boundaries. While you might not be able to directly request an image in the style of a famous artist, you can describe the scene and era in detail to achieve a similar effect. This encourages users to think more critically about how they frame their requests, fostering a more thoughtful interaction with the AI. These creative workarounds also align with ethical considerations. AI-generated content, particularly when it involves sensitive topics or real people, raises significant ethical questions. Google has implemented safeguards in Imagen 3 to minimize the risk of bias and ensure that the content generated is fair and representative. However, these ethical issues remain an essential part of the ongoing conversation about AI's role in creative industries. Ethical implications and future considerations. As AI continues to advance, the ethical implications of these technologies become increasingly critical. One major concern is the potential for bias in AI-generated content. Since AI models are trained on large datasets, any biases present in the data can be reflected in the outputs. Google has taken steps to mitigate these risks in Imagen 3 by implementing stricter standards for the data used and including checks to ensure diversity and fairness in the images the model generates. Another important consideration is AI's impact on traditional creative industries. As AI tools become more sophisticated and accessible, there's a growing concern that they could disrupt fields like photography, illustration, and graphic design. While AI can enhance creativity and open up new possibilities, it also raises questions about the future of human creativity and the potential for job displacement in certain sectors. The ethical debate surrounding AI-generated content is complex and multifaceted. On one hand, AI offers incredible potential for democratizing creativity, allowing more people to create high-quality content regardless of their skill level. On the other hand, it introduces new challenges in terms of originality, ownership, and the authenticity of creative works. Future implications. As AI technology continues to advance, tools like Imagen 3 represent just one part of a rapidly evolving landscape. The development of more sophisticated models is likely to continue, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve in image generation and beyond. These advancements could lead to exciting new opportunities for creative expression, but they also highlight the need for ongoing ethical oversight and responsible use of AI. The broader implications of AI and content creation include both positive and potentially negative outcomes. On one hand, AI can democratize creativity, giving more people access to powerful tools that were previously out of reach. On the other hand, the ease with which AI can generate content raises concerns about misinformation, the devaluation of human artistry, and the need for clear guidelines to govern its use. The potential for misuse is another concern, as AI becomes more adept at generating realistic images. The risk of these tools being used to create misleading or harmful content increases. This highlights the need for clear guidelines and regulations to govern the use of AI in content creation, ensuring that these technologies are used in ways that benefit society without causing harm. The role of AI in creative industries is set to expand, and Imagen 3 is just the beginning. As more advanced models emerge, the possibilities for AI-generated content will only increase. However, with these possibilities come responsibilities. It will be crucial for developers, users, and policymakers to work together to ensure that AI is used ethically and responsibly, balancing innovation with the need to protect the integrity of human creativity, user reactions. The initial response to Imagen 3 has been largely positive. Users have praised the model for its speed, accuracy, and the quality of the images it produces. The fact that it is currently free to use has also contributed to its popularity, allowing a wide range of people to explore AI-generated content without a financial barrier. Imagen 3 is a notable development in the field of AI image generation. Its ability to understand complex prompts, produce high-quality images, and its accessibility make it a valuable tool for exploring the possibilities of AI in creative processes. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.